Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup and of course has cats. If you've been here before, welcome back. So, almost missed it. It's not good. Already messing up things. Okay guys, I know my eyebrows are a little bit crazy because I'm kind of out of my my neutral brown color that I use a lot. I mean, it's like really okay. Of course, I'm trying to make my eyebrows look like twins, but it never does. So they're sisters, but I try to make them even as possible. But colors I use in this is I use deep brown for this one. It's not really my shade. I really go to neutral brown because it kind of matches, and it doesn't look like crazy enough in here. So I already primed my face a little bit using the matte from WetNWild. Really do like this. I really do like it. Yeah. For the color of the month challenge, I did choose pink because I don't wear pink a lot. I might do pink like very so often, but I really don't do pink unless I feel like it. But for this month and for spring, I want to do pink. And I already did 2 looks, and of course I will put them in the card and everything else. I am going to use Fade into Hue from ColourPop. My niece did give this to me for a birthday / Christmas for me, which I'm very excited about, and am going to use the pink in this. So I really don't have a color look I want to do. So I really don't know what look I'm going to go for. I really don't know. I might go glitter. I don't know. I might go all matte. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. As you can see, I don't know. So I'm actually going to try this product out again. It's the BB&W Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this again because
A few moments later.
What I'm going to use is just a brush. I'm going to use, actually, I just use my finger, which I don't normally do, so I'm going to use this. Usually you want to use a brush, but I'm not doing that because it matches my skin tone really good. It does cancel out the pink, which I do like that. So I really don't know what look I'm coming with or not, but I'm just gonna go with it here. I might go purple and pink, just because. So I'm going to use this color. It's called Majestic. It's a really pretty purple. I really do like this palette. So I do have a video on this one that I did a couple of looks with, and I really do like it. And for some reason, This one doesn't have any more of the transition shade, so I'm going to go use WetNWild's Fade and Brulee. You want to use any, if you want, you can use a eyeshadow that matches to your skin tone just to help it blend out. Which I will be using anyway because I need to help it blend out. It's just to help it blend. I really. It would just help it to blend. And I really don't use a highlight on my brown bone. So we're just gonna go back and forth with these two shades. Just to blend this out a little bit on the edge. Like I said, I am still going to use the beige just to this. These shadows are not as, this, okay. It's just to help it blend out just a little bit better. Now, I'm trying to think, okay. I'm going to use Love Craft, this pink color right here. Just to help it blend out. I want a nice little pink. Just help it. That's really. Yeah, I actually wanna. I'm gonna go with this pink just to help it blend into the shade. Now, since those two colors are a little bit blending together, which I didn't want to do anyway, like that. Now, I'm going to use a little bit on the edge. And then we're going to go darker. I'm going to use and then we're going to go darker. I'm going to use this darker purple right here. I don't know why my camera makes it like it's a dark blue and purple. So, find that a little bit odd, but you know what? Make it work. Okay. I'm going to use Ilia's. Going to use concealer just to it does have a nice little that's why I didn't put any foundation. because I don't use pink a lot. I don't. It's one of those colors like what I wanna. Like I will play with orange, red, blue, green, gold, silver. I think it's pretty cool with this color. Purple of course, because purple is my favorite color. But pink is one of the things. I will play with it, but I have to make myself to play with it like I am now. But it also I'm going back and forth and looking right here, so that's really pretty. I like that. How that pink. It's a gradient. It's a really gradient look. So that's what I do like this. So I might go to full on. I don't know yet. Yeah, might as well. So I'm gonna use the NYX white base. I'm using the white for this because I am using a pink and I do want the shade to vibrant as much as possible. Sometimes I have to look like this. And right here, I've noticed a little bit. It is of course I'm tapping it in just to help it work, and that's what I was trying to do with this base. This is the BB&W eyeshadow base. It's not my favorite, but I'll use it because why not? I have so many eyeshadow bases. Like Milani is still my favorite color, my favorite eyeshadow base, because my eyeshadows do last a pretty long time. We really don't want to use glitter, so we're going to use Fantasyland because why not? Just sit right here, and I'm definitely going to play with this palette more. So this palette, if I'm doing a color of the month like I am doing, this palette will be on it. So I like the formulas with this, so I do recommend this. So and this will give me a nice I could have went with the pink base, but I choose not to. And so what I like to do is just drag it up to the edge that we cut crease. Again, I do want to try. I'm already planning shopping hauls for next month or this month. I don't know yet. So I do kind of shop almost every week at Walmart, but usually they have good deals like clearances, and I do recommend them. Look at clearances because sometimes when they have clearances on certain products, you better get it while you get it because you might have some new ones. And sometimes I just like, and depending on how much I spend. But okay. I am going to finish up this eye, and I want to finish up this base, and we're gonna finish on here. We're gonna do the underneath the eyes, the lower lash, and then we're gonna pick out the lipstick. I don't know what kind of lipstick I'm gonna pick, but I know it's going to be pink, because why not? Let's go all pink in this video. So I'll be right back, and hopefully, okay, we can get this done. I just finished the eyes just using mascara and liner. For the lips, I kind of paired it with Milani's Fuschia lip liner, Color Statement Lip Liner number 8. I'm going to cast me turning that one off. And I also paired it with that Revolution Pro Fan Flesh. Oh, that's a little pink here. So, very nice and creamy. I do like it. Trying to get some more. So, the under eye. Okay. Don't know what I'm going to plan, but I'll figure it out. So I'm going to go with purple on this one, just to, you know, just to put it on there. I'm just going to keep it just like that, because it's going to fade anyway. Yeah. So. If you like this look and you like this video, hit the like button, and also want to be part of the challenge, you're welcome to it. It's color pink, so you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter, where I'm at. You can tag me so I can repost your looks, and of course hit the subscribe button so you can subscribe to this lovely channel. And I don't know why I'm doing this a lot, but you know what, we're going for it. And my cat's gonna drive me nuts as always. Yeah, and always hit the notification bell so you can notify any new videos that I upload. And lately I've been doing 4 days straight, so that's new. How long that's gonna last, we never know. But also guys, I love you. I hope you have a day or night wherever you're at, and